So today I'm chopping up this plate and we're using it to make some new motor mounts inside Skorpios number 5. This thing goes somewhere in there.
Alright, so you might be wondering, why does he have one welding glove, a mallet, and he's standing in the lunchroom? This is where the toaster oven is, and it's where the freezer is. And today we are doing temperature fitting. So, when metal is hot, it expands, and when metal is cool, it contracts. So you can get an awesome press fit on a bearing by first heating your housing piece, which in this case is a nice toasty weapon hub. Wow, I can feel that through the welding glove. Okay, before that cools down, gotta get into the freezer. Alright, here we go, super frosty bearing. You can hear the sizzle. Oop, oop. Shoot. Ladies and gentlemen, that's how you can hear the temperatures get back in. And as the frost melts off the bearings, it's still molten hot. Yeah. That's how you temperature fit a bearing.
Okay, here we go. Welding. Welding.
Or on a lathe, sometimes in the tailstock like that, you have a chuck and you want to separate the pieces, you want to pull the chuck out. It's actually held in on a Well, hello there.
What are you working on?
I bet you're wondering, what am I working on? Well, here we have a Fabro encabulator. And first you have to start by removing the dongle humber from the Fabro encabulator to rejuicify it.
Oh? Nice.
Fire when ready.
Okay, so we just use this precision measuring instrument to align the motor mount. Now I'm just going to zap it in place with this welder. Welded. That smells like burning. Maybe don't say that for it.
All right, so we have a frame completely done, thanks to All Weld and Chewy for putting in the final touches. And now the first thing we're gonna do is coat the inside in truck bed liner. This is a trick Orion taught me. What this does is it makes the inside of your robot non-conductive. So if you get any frayed wires or damaged parts, they're not gonna short out on the metal frame.
So we hear your pressure, Matt Spurk, and we have now painted the inside of Skorpios a different color than black. So we are just.
Fresh paint.
Did you say fresh meat?
Fresh paint.
Fresh meat?
Paint.
I mean, I guess this is.
Paint.
This is its freshman year.
Paint.
Ow. I thought that would flap.
What happened?
He ran into something.
No, I didn't run into it. I smacked it with my hand, but still.
Ow.
Hi.
Die.
I thought it. I'm using my entire arm.
Oh, entire arm.
Eh.